I'll be talking about a bit of a combination of design and computer science. Really what I was interested in is information design and data visualization and really how can I, as a designer, try and work on or work with data sets that are much larger than what I can do just by hand instead of sitting down with Adobe Illustrator and fighting through things. For instance, this is based on a set of UN population data, so the population for the last 60 years and then also population prospects for the next 40. And this was done for a client where they were focusing on this aspect of what happens as populations age, and in particular with Japan. So this is 2010. Japan has this cohort of people that are age 60 to 64. And what happens when they start all aging? We can look at other countries here, and then along with that, actually go through and just play all that back. So this is population going from 1950 to 2050, and just being able to get a sense of what's actually in there. I spent a lot of time working with scientists at MIT trying to find better ways of looking at the data that they work with and that they deal with. This was a diagram that they had produced. Instead, I said, well, what if we start with this more qualitative way of looking at it and integrate that with all of these other representations. And so I can actually move back and forth between these different ways of looking at the information and say, are we really just kind of all talking about the same thing? What does it actually mean?